2, 1. What's up, y'all? How you doing? This is Jared Eats. Okay, so I have here a Prime Now package that I've ordered like a couple days ago. This right here is something that I've really like looked forward in getting in the future. I saw a YouTube video of this guy. He was like using his Google Pixel 2 phone to just like video himself, and then he ordered something, and it was a lens, and the lens was something that made it a wider perspective. You know, like how you're using a selfie stick and sometimes you just want to like get a bigger but not distorted angle. Like this is what I got, and I'm about to pop it open, and you guys are here with me to see what I've got. Oh my god. Woo. Wow, that was easy to open. Shout out to the postal carriers for doing their job and just giving us our stuff. So this is a camera from BlitzWorld. BlitzWorld. So, oh, and by the way, Ugly Poetry, if you see this right now, or just anybody who's new to Twitch or something, I use my computer while I'm using my phone just to see like comments, because I can't really see that far from my phone. And right now I'm using the Twitch app, so it might be a little pixelated, and you know, like I don't know, but I'm using this instead of Streamlabs right now because I want to see this film again, and I'm saving it for my other friends to see it too, so it'll have a VOD, video on demand. So yeah, I'm just using this, even though I'm using like my Canon and my GoPro at the same time to record. But I want to cherish this moment because I finally got something that I've been waiting for, and it's just really nice. It's a nice feeling, and dude, like my heart rate is like hella high, a little roof to the roof. So here I go. I'm just opening this like plastic wrap. It's from the BlitzWorld. No, sorry, I'm wrong. Blitz, W-O-L-F. BlitzWolf. Oh, B-L-I-T-Z-W-O-L-F. Nice, because it saves cool high tech. Yeah. So, I am so excited to just open this box. BlitzWolf. Alright, so this is the lens that you could just put right on your phone. It doesn't matter what phone you have. And I'm opening it. Alright, so here is the phone. Yes, that is the correct spelling. BlitzWolf, you got it. Alright, so it has right here on the top just like a padded layer, and then in the bottom is a padded layer too. Oh, and look, you can't really see it probably from that this camera or this Twitch app, but here is here is the cover for the lens, and we have here a clip for you to connect it to your phone. So we're gonna test this out actually right now. You can see all this mess that I have around my room, but once I put it on, you'll see the difference in the comparison. I don't know if anyone else has this. Oh, there's a case. Wow, you just pull it up and there's like a case for this thing whenever I guess you're traveling. And you know, sometimes it's hard just to carry like your Canon camera or your whatever with you. And then when you have your phone, you always have your phone no matter where you go. So it's pretty cool to just have. Here is the lens. It's pretty heavy. Like it feels pretty expensive. This actually, the price was just I think $10.99, and I was just utilizing my gift card that I got last Christmas. And is there any instructions in this? Yes. Oh, okay, cool. There's a lens cleaner. Comes with the lens cleaner. And what else in here? Thank you for choosing BlitzWolf. Oh, that's so cute. Let's see. There's a lens cleaner. I gotta be careful with this. I'm just super excited right now. Alright. Oh, there's a user manual. There's this little thing with like wolf paws. Join the community on Facebook, whatever, Twitter. Okay. I'll follow him. I'll be sure to follow him, but not right now. Yeah, not bad. It's probably a cool price. I felt like treating myself, and then I wanted to just get something, so I could have a better viewing experience for me and the viewers too. So yeah, shout out to the BlitzWolf and the dude that showed me this on YouTube. I mean, I was just checking out his video. I found it. I'm gonna go and find out what that video was again. But that if you just, let's see, what's this? Introduction. Okay, there's a clip, there's a lens, there's a cloth. Oh, it's a waterproof bag. The bag is waterproof. Okay, I'm not sure that I'm gonna put something in here for waterproof, but because like look, it's just a drawstring. Anyway, how to use it. So screw wide angle lens into clip. Okay, so here's the lens. Ah, almost dropped it. The $10 lens. Okay. Wait. So how do you screw? I am super stoked to do this. Screw wide angle lens into clip. Okay. Attach clip with lens. Wait, what? I'm not like really the type of person that just like likes reading shit. I just like looking at the picture and just doing it. So yeah, but whatever. Okay, screw it in. How do you do that? Do I have to take out this bottom part? There's like a little bottom part right here, as you can see. Attach the clip lens onto the phone so that, wait, screw wide angle lens into clip first. How the heck? Alright, probably just push it in. I don't know, maybe I have to take out this bottom part. Yeah, there's like a cover for the lens first. It doesn't say that. So they should have written down like to take off that little like cover clip. Okay, so you got to actually take off that clip first and then screw it in. Oh, there you go. Just spins in like that. Wow. Wow, that is just so cool. Look at that. So it looks like so far. And then I guess next we are going to attach the clip lens onto the phone so that the lens is centered over the camera. You just mean this? And then start taking photography. Okay, cool. So now we're going to have a quick test to see how it looks like with the lens. Alright, so let me just put this stuff back in here. Oh man, I am super excited. I am super excited for all my new IG pictures, and I'm like this investment right here. Just to see like, I'll just put this right here. Just to see how things look. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick test. Okay, what's up y'all? This is the test of the BlitzWolf what do you call this? Camera wide angle lens. So this is a regular. I'm not gonna move the camera. And I'm gonna put it on. You see how wider it got like just from inserting the wide lens. Now you can see how wide it is compared to off. See, so when you're saying you're doing some selfies with some friends or whatnot, now you can get people. Lens, dude, this lens is sick. This is dope. It's a wide lens.